Dorman Products Top Parts Overview Video, a monthly announcement on new formerly dealer-only parts. This month's featured OE fix is our new remanufactured transmission control module, now available for popular Cadillac, Chevrolet, and GMC applications from 2007 to 2006. Original units typically require replacement due to clogged internal filters that allow in debris, which leads to sensor and solenoid failure. Dorman's OE fix addresses this common failure mode by upgrading the transmission control module's gaskets to stronger and more thermally resistant materials to prevent contamination. As an added benefit, Dorman's GM transmission control modules include a programming tool that makes syncing the replacement unit to the vehicle easy, thereby eliminating a costly trip to the dealer. Our new and exclusive trunk lock actuator motor offers expanded coverage for more than 1.8 million BMW 1, 3, 5, 6, and M Series models from 2013 to 1999. This popular replacement part is integrated with a latch and high-quality electric motor, ensuring proper fit, form, and function. Additionally, this direct replacement is thoroughly tested to meet product quality standards, effectively restoring remote lock and unlock functions with ease. Dorman now offers keyless entry remotes for over 3 million Chrysler, Dodge, and Plymouth applications from 2005 to 2000. Dorman's simple-to-program remotes allow drivers to sync a new remote to an existing vehicle in less than 5 minutes. Our keyless entry remotes are available as complete units and include a user-friendly programming tool that eliminates a costly trip to the dealer, resulting in a quick and easy repair solution for lost or broken keyless remotes. Our growing category of brake dust shields now offers coverage for popular Ford Super Duty trucks from 2004 to 1999. Original brake dust shields frequently fail due to rust and corrosion from the harsh winter weather and humidity. With over 25 SKUs available, covering more than 85 million vehicles on the road today, Dorman's brake dust shields are manufactured with a rust-resistant coating for extra protection and a longer service life where applicable. Additionally, this direct replacement part includes 2 plates in just one SKU to reduce installation time and saving you money. Also available this month is our oil reservoir gasket for popular Ford diesel applications from 2003 to 1998. Our oil reservoir gasket, also known as the high-pressure oil pump or HPOP reservoir gasket, is available as a separate component, enabling you to replace just the failed original gasket instead of the entire timing cover assembly. Additionally, our oil reservoir gasket features a built-in wire mesh screen to keep the high-pressure oil pump clean and debris-free. Also available this month, Ford horn contact, GM control arm bushing, Jeep door seal, over 35 new control arms, 25 new interior and exterior door handles, over 20 door lock actuator motors, and 20 drive shaft assemblies.